Alright, so it's been a while since I've returned to this little program here. The IBM PC, learning to use the IBM PC. It's been a while since we got here. The last part was like my last video of 2022, and now it's 2023, and we're well into 2023, so I suppose we should just continue. Alright. Accidents will happen. Protect against loss of invaluable files will make frequent copies. You can make an entire diskette or just individual files. Fixed disk files may be copied onto diskettes. A backup copy could save you hours of retyping should Murphy strike again. Damn you, Murphy. A file is a collection of information. A file is on your disk or diskette is like a folder in a file cabinet. It contains information that you and others enter at the keyboard. Each file has a short name to help you keep track of it. The files stored on this diskette are named friends and UFOs. Oh yeah. The rules to make up new file names are easy. You can just letters and numbers but no punctuation. The name's supposed to be short, no more than 8 letters. Well, joke's on you, IBM, because in Windows 95 there was a 256 character limit. Yay! A few names have special meanings, but otherwise you can use any name you want. You can just short extension to a name by using a period, followed up to 3 letters or numbers. WebEms exist. Just saying. For example, UFOs 1 and UFOs 2. I know it's UFOs .1 and UFOs .2, but I'm just going to read them as UFOs 1 and UFOs 2. Alright. Directory. The directory stores the names of the vital statistic files. Each diskette or fixed disk has a directory. If you change a file or make a new one, the file name, new size, and the date and time are automatically recorded in the directory. Each file in the directory must have a different name. If you have many files to manage, you can make extra directories to organize them. You can, trigger this in MS-DOS by typing dir and then, or dir as I like to call it, and then every directory will pop up on the screen. Next. Disk operating system. The computer programs that manage files and directories are called the disk operating systems, or DOS for short. MS-DOS. A master copy of these programs is enclosed with the DOS manual. Notice that this diskette is permanently write protected. There's no notch, so you can't mistakenly erase it. You can use a DOS program by typing the appropriate DOS command. There are only a few DOS commands that you'll need to know. Practice DOS. To practice DOS, we'll give you these 2 cartoon diskettes. Practice DOS has 2 diskette drives. The diskette in the B drive is blank to start. The one in A drive has a few files on it. That's Friends, UFOs 1, and UFOs 2. Only 3 files. Practice DOS rules. Always leave the lesson diskette in place, even if the practice DOS tells you to change the diskettes. I mean, I'm on a laptop, so I can't change the diskette. You will use the cartoon diskettes to practice with. It's possible to erase all of the files on them. If you do, it's no problem. Simply come back here to get new ones. And practice DOS messages and features may differ from the version of DOS you have. Your DOS manual is the final authority. How to start DOS. Insert the DOS diskette in the drive A. Please do not try to do this now. Reset the computer. If the computer's off, if the power's off, just turn it on. If it's on, just press 3 keys at once. Control, Alt, and Del. Just like you would to start the real DOS. Please press Control, Alt, Del now. Okay? So like Control, Alt, Del. Okay? Wait, I know. Thankfully, on PCJS, they have a Control Alt Del option. Like this. Okay, so set today's date. Welcome to Practice DOS. Before you begin, you'll have to enter today's date like this. 11/13/1985. But I thought this program came out in 1983. So the current date is... So what is it? It's the 23rd of 2023. Fun fact, this program turns 4 years old this year. Set the time. Now, good. Now set the clock. DOS uses 24 hours of clock. 1 p.m. is 13 o'clock. 2 p.m. is 14 o'clock, etc. Enter the time like this. 11:05. You can also... or hundreds of a second. Why would you ever want to do that? Like hundreds of a second. Or seconds. I just want to do the minutes. So, what time is it? It's like 5 something. Nope, as you can see, it's 6:10. So, let's go back here. So I'm just gonna enter the time, 6:10. And I guess I'll just put AM at the end. Oh, okay. So you just have to type 6:10. No AM PM specifications. The DOS prompt. The A symbol is called the DOS prompt. It means that DOS is ready for command, and it says that drive A is the default drive. Drive A will be used unless you say otherwise. And we can do a little clear screen. Okay. Important commands. We're going to teach you these 4 important DOS commands. dir, format copy, and disk copy. Okay. Next. Display A directories. The dir command displays a directory. I know it's dir, but I like to pronounce it dir. Type it like this and press enter. dir A. So we're just going to type dir. You don't have to necessarily make it uppercase. You can make it like this and it'll still work. As you see, the volume drive A is DLS. And as you can see, we displayed all the files. The directory above shows all the files on the cartoon diskette, aka the A drive, along with each file name is the size of the file and the date and time it was last changed. Wow. Okay. Look what do we got here? 1880s? 1974? I think it's like over here, so like 1979? Damn. Brand new diskettes. Before you can use a diskette, you'll have to erase it and make a new directory with the format command. There's a new cartoon diskette in drive B. Type this and press carriage return. We can go like to a different directory and type like format B, but let's just do this. FORMAT and then we can't type the A drive, else that will just erase all the data on the disk. Format B drive. Insert new diskette for drive B. The diskette will be erased. Press the letter key to go on. Formatting. The diskette is ready to use. Type Y to format another one. Type N to continue. Good. The DOS prompt means that the format command is finished and that DOS is ready for another command. Press page down to go on, or 3 on the number lock. Copy a file. Copy is used to make a duplicate backup copy of a file. Try copying the file friends from drive A to drive B. Copy A friends, B friends. Alright, so we're just gonna do this. There we go. And we're just gonna enter. And it's just going over there. One file copied. So there we go. That's it. Copy a diskette. Disk copy makes a duplicate backup copy of the entire diskette. To copy the disk in drive A to the disk in drive B, type this command, press enter. Disk copy A B. Disk copy A B. Press the letter key to start the copy. They're virtual, so yeah, it's kind of like a virtual machine in a way. As you see, it's copying over UFOs.1, so it's copying over all of the files on the disk. You know, the A disk or the cartoon diskette. A new copy is ready to use. It's a good habit to put the original away and use a new copy instead. That way, you'll know that the new copy is correct. Good, the DOS prompt means that disk copy is finished and DOS is ready for another command. For experts only. That's all you need to know about DOS. So, yeah. I would consider me an expert of DOS or MS-DOS or whatever. So I'm just going to type help. Look at that. Help only works in this lesson. It's not a DOS command. And if we need help with something, we can just, let's see, I know how CLS works, but I'm just gonna put it there. CLS clears the display screen. Try now by typing CLS. There we go. I know how that worked. Next is basic programming. Well, this video is getting a little long, so I suppose that's it. Anyways, bye.